Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Zoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Zoom website by typing zoom.us in the address bar. On the home page, locate and click on Sign Up. It's free in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click Sign Up. Check your inbox for a verification email from Zoom. Open the email and click on the Activate Account button provided. You will be redirected to a new page to create your account. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, you can invite colleagues to join Zoom, or you can skip this step by selecting Skip this step. Next, you will be prompted to choose between a free account or other available plans. Once you select your desired plan, click on Continue. Your registration is almost complete. Check your email again if there are any further instructions. Log into your account using your newly created username and password. You are now ready to use Zoom for your meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.